Okay. Yeah, so we have that. I actually already know what the problem is. I just actually took this video just to show you guys some of the symptoms of what's this? Of a bad starter. In this case, I narrowed down the problem to be my starter motors, carbon brushes. I made this conclusion because I saw a few signs towards today. So every time I would start the car, the starter is somewhere down there. If you guys can see it, somewhere down there. So towards over the past few weeks, I think weeks, I could hear that every time I tried to start up the car, it would feel like it's lazy or a weak. It would have like a weak turnover where when you turn the key and then it's like it feels like it doesn't want to start, but then eventually starts. Well, it wouldn't be the battery because we just replaced the battery not so long ago. It's basically still a new battery, and I know some people would say it's the alternator that's not charging up the battery. It can't be that because that also just been replaced recently. So I'm quite confident that those two are working perfectly fine. So that means the starter is the problem now. Well, at least that's what I think. And I think with the starter, it can only be about two things that I think would most likely to go bad. That would be the solenoid or the carbon brushes. But because the carbon brushes are a lot cheaper and much easier to fix, I'm just gonna start there, and hopefully that's what's broken. First of all, before you do anything, taking out the starter motor, you need to disconnect the battery. Then yeah, take it from there. We have a starter motor. Didn't have the time to take you guys through me actually getting this out of the car, but the car won't start. I knew this was gonna happen because it had like some few lazy starts for a while, and then I figured the carbon brushes are probably finished, so the carbon brushes are in here. We need to open this thing so we can replace the starter motor carbon brushes. Hopefully that's what's broken, but I do have the feeling that that's what the problem is. All right. This is how it looks after it's been taken apart. I suspect this is what I need to replace. These brushes, yeah, those carbon brushes. Well, I hope so. Otherwise, the solenoid is dead. But anyways, okay, guys. I really just can't hold the camera and do this, but I managed to take out the carbon brushes. These, as you can see, they are messed up, so the car wouldn't start because these brushes are basically finished, as you can see. So what these things do is that when you start the car, they're the ones that actually transfer the current onto the commutator there, and then this rotates, and then it causes the whole thing to rotate, and this rotates the flying wheel in the car, and then the car starts. Basically what would happen when you push a car to start it. So you just doing it with this whatever this thing the starter motor. So yeah, this is what I have to replace. These normally go for about what, $100, 200 rand at the most. That's when you're getting ripped off. Yeah, my hands, they look like this right now. Oh my goodness, you don't want to see my phone, trust me. We have got the parts, and this is where we got it. Midas Ilum. We're walking home. Like I said, guys, these are not that expensive. It's like 120 rand. Yeah, and hopefully the car starts. Because if it doesn't, I am not ready to fix whatever's broken if this is not a problem. Yeah, but more importantly, if I can just remove this, I hope the springs don't. There we go. See how our new one looks compared to the old one. See. Now we just gotta put this back in to our commutator, whatever this thing is called. Hopefully I can manage to do this. Why did I even take this out? I should not have done that. Okay. Oh my goodness. I managed to try to sort of get this thing back in. Oh my god. So now I just gotta fix up everything, make sure everything is lined up perfectly here. Right, there we go. There goes that. And then now this becomes very simple. To put that back in, I just need to somehow slot this commutator back in here. Just need to make minor adjustments as I slide it in. There we go. It's back in the commutator. And then, right. Okay, that took some doing. Is it still recording? Yes, we're still recording. Now we just gotta close everything up. There's the moment of truth. The starter is back in. And now we're trying it out. Nice! One more time. Let me even open the windows so you guys can hear how well that starts. Listen to this. I'm so good at this, man. I should open up a shop. Thank you so much for making this far off into the video. One more thing from my side is I just want to apologize for the previous shot. It wasn't properly centered into the frame. That was a rookie mistake by me, and by the time I realized that I had already put everything back together in the car because I really needed to use the car. But anyways, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.